Now, here is your assessment. So, just a little assessment on the little we have learned so far. So, you're going to code this. I don't know, you should know that this is a prompt. So, you should be able to do this. So, what is your name? And then while I type in my name, so just watch out. After typing in my name, immediately I think, okay, it's going to tell me, hello Habiba, your net worth will be, wow, I'll be so rich, $975,335 by 2022. So that would be my net worth by 2022. Bismillah. So you're going to code what will give us this. So let me give you some hints. Let me give you some hints. And this is the hint. So the hint says declare a variable with prompt. So you should know how to do that. Declare a variable that will ask for your name. What is your name? So it does a kind of game. So this is a little game, as you can see. So immediately you input your name, it's going to tell you your net worth by 2022. We are not predicting, this is not juju, and you have started though. So this is just a little game. Then after you have declared the prompt, the arithmetic we just learned today, so you can declare that too, those variables. Then you declare your alert. What with that statement that say hello, that's your name. Your net worth by 2022 will be so this. All right, good luck. Let me see how you can do. Don't worry, I'm going to solve this for you in the next class, but try and do this on your own before the next class. Okay, bye bye.